To get started, open the Skills tab from the left sidebar and select Add Furniture. Next, upload an empty room from your device, or choose an existing image from your Lovspark library. This will be the space you'll furnish. Browse the furniture catalog and choose the pieces you'd like to add to your space, or upload your own. You can select from a wide range of furniture, including sofas, tables, chairs, beds, lighting, and decorative items. As you add each piece, Lovspark automatically assigns it a numbered marker. Continue selecting furniture until you've built the layout you have in mind. Then you're ready to place each item exactly where you want it in the room. Now place the numbered markers onto your image, positioning each one exactly where you want that piece of furniture to appear. Use the arrow keys to switch between furniture easily. Once you're happy with the layout, click Done to upload the completed template. Finally, click Generate, and Lovspark will transform your empty room into a realistic, fully furnished space using the furniture you've selected. You can then preview the result and download your finished render.